What is a quadratic equation? You need to know this, because if you run into one of these characters out on the street, you better look out. First question you're going to ask are, are your coefficients real numbers? And could A ever equal 0? Well, anyway, let's just write some stuff up here. I always forget. If we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation written in standard form. All right, a, b, and c are real. That's a symbol for real numbers. Okay, that's every number on the number line, every little point on the number line. Okay, without getting too dealed into what real numbers are. As long as, we got to throw something in here, a cannot be equal to 0. Okay, a can't be equal to 0. This is known as a quadratic equation. Okay, a quadratic equation, it's written in standard form. Okay, this is the standard form where it's set equal to 0. Okay, that's all we're going to say about that. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. I haven't been really writing too much definitions. I should probably, but I haven't been doing it. So everything we've learned up to this point is going to be used pretty much, right? Okay, so we're going to want to find the solutions to the following quadratic equations, and if you want, you can check your solutions. That's if you want. Let's say we've got x squared. See, up to this point, everything should be pretty simple, because we've done all this. Now we're putting it into practice. Right, x squared plus 6x plus 8 is that expression. We've already factored something like this. We want to factor it, set it equal to 0, set each factor equal to 0, and solve for x. We've done this. Okay, we've done this. Okay. What do? Two numbers multiplied together gives us 8, and when we add them, we get 6. What about 4 and 2? 4, 5, 6. So we have x plus 4 and x plus 2. Set it equal to 0. Now the next step is set each one of these factors equal to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0. We want to solve for x. Let's do a line divider here, and then we're going to set x plus 2 equal to 0 and solve for x. See, it's not that bad. What do we got? Well, this one's easy. You just subtract 4 from both sides and you get x is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 is going to be one of our solutions. And then we do the same thing over here to x plus 2 is equal to 0. Subtract 2 from both sides, and you get x is equal to negative 2. So what do we have? We have negative 4, negative 2. You can always go up here, plug it in to the original, okay? And it better be equal to 0, or you might have done something wrong. We can write our solution set as this if you want. Right, inside curly brackets. I think we've done this before. Writing it inside curly brackets, okay? The solution is negative 4, negative 2. Okay, let's work another one here. Let's say we have 12 is equal to x squared plus x. X squared plus x. what we want to do now is get this thing into the standard form. We need to write this in standard form, and I'm going to do that by subtracting 12 from both sides, and that's going to give us x squared plus x minus 12, which is equal to 0. Okay, that's the standard form we want it in. What do we do now? Excuse me. And I've run out of room. How did I do that? I need to lengthen our page here. Oh, wow. You know what? I think, okay, let's do this. Let's get, oh man, I just now remembered something. I keep forgetting. That said factoring trinomials. Don't worry about what that said. I forgot to save that. Let's just do this again real quick here. 12 is equal to x squared plus x. Okay, taking that 12 to the other side. All right. What two numbers that when we multiply them together we get negative 12, we add them, we get a positive 1. What about 4 and 3? Now we need to make that negative and make that positive, right? 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. There you go. Next thing we're going to do is set, and we'll write it like this. Set each one of those factors. Whoa, there needs to be an x there. Set them both equal to 0. Solve for x, so we get x is equal to negative 4. X is equal to 3. Okay. So we could write our solution set as negative 4, 3. If we'd like, we always can plug those back into the quadratic equation to check, right? Check. For example, let's just do that for a second here. 3 was one of the solutions. If I plug 3 in here for x, we get 3 squared plus 3. Well, 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. And you can do that as well for the negative 4. Plug negative 4 in for x squared, you get 16. And then 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 4, yeah. Okay, so you should always check your work. All right, this is not factoring trinomials. This is solving the quadratic equation by factoring. Okay, I'll see you there shortly. Bye.